Are you ready to dive into the invigorating world of cold water? From boosting your metabolism to enhancing your immune system, I'm going to show you the power of cold water and a nice little secret toward the end of the video. So in this one, we'll explore 5 compelling reasons why you should embrace the chill and experience the amazing benefits it has to offer. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health, wellness, and self-improvement tips. Okay, number 1, increased alertness and focus. Have you ever noticed how just a little splash of cold water on your face can instantly jolt you awake? Well, there's a scientific reason behind this phenomenon. When you encounter cold water, your body triggers a surge of endorphins that increases alertness and focus. You'll almost think you're having a heart attack, but this sudden burst of energy is what helps you pay better attention to your tasks at hand, making it easier to stay productive and motivated. So next time you're feeling sluggish, grab a glass of cold water and take a few massive mouthfuls and allow the refreshing liquid to revitalize your mind and body. Unless you're like me, I'm never off the bloody toilet and I can piss like a racehorse. And I was a kid from up north, so we would just stick our heads in the local cattle trough. I remember the one over the road from Egremont Castle. Oh yeah, and the summers were red hot back in those days. So don't even get me started about global warming. Number 2, improved blood circulation. Picture this. You step into a cold shower and immediately feel a rush of blood to your core. This reaction is not just a figment of your imagination, but a physiological response known as vasoconstriction. As the cold water hits your skin, your blood vessels narrow, forcing your heart to pump faster and send more blood to your vital organs. This increased blood flow can have numerous benefits, such as improved oxygen delivery, enhanced nutrient absorption, and better overall health, not to mention the obvious. Yes, it's like an iron bar. Number 3, strengthened immune system. Did you know that exposing yourself to cold water can give your immune system a significant boost? When you take a cold water shower or plunge into a freezing cold lake, your body experiences a mini shock. This triggers the production of white blood cells, which are the warriors of your immune system, helping you fight off infections and diseases. Moreover, cold water can help reduce inflammation and increase the production of antibodies, further strengthening your body's defense mechanisms. It's also cheaper than buying ibuprofen every other day. Tell me I'm wrong. Number 4, increased endurance levels. Are you tired of feeling like you lack stamina and energy? Well, it's time to embrace the power of cold water and watch your physical capabilities soar. When you expose yourself to cold water, your body undergoes a process called heremesis, where it becomes more efficient at utilizing oxygen. This enhanced oxygen utilization leads to improved endurance and stamina, allowing you to push harder and achieve new fitness milestones. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, cold water can help you unlock your true endurance potential. It can also make some of us damp down if we drink too much fluid before bedtime. Ain't that right, Stuart? The damp down champ for 3 years straight.
Where's my pint?
And finally, number 5, improved skin health. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your skin health and you need something to hold back the haggard look, then you'll need to hear this last part. It's just so simple and so effective, and it's been staring us in the face all along. When you're washing your face with cold water, your skin tightens and minimizes the appearance of pores, giving you a refreshing and rejuvenated look. Additionally, cold water can help increase blood flow to the skin, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen, leaving you with a healthy and radiant complexion. So, it's time to ditch the hot water and embrace the cool side of things. Like a natural skincare routine that's as effective as it is refreshing. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it takes a lot of balls to get in that cold water. Not so much of them left when you get out though. But once you are in and begin to relax, that's when the magic starts to happen. When you expose yourself to cold water, a myriad of physiological processes kick into action, each playing a vital role, also maximizing your mental health benefits. Now that you're aware of the incredible advantages of cold water, it's time to face the facts. The human body is truly capable of amazing things, and cold water is just one of the many tools we have to unlock our full potential. If you want to see more videos including other banging topics, make sure to subscribe and look out for future uploads. You'll be automatically notified by selecting the bell icon while you're hitting subscribe. Oh, and it's free too. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.